Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Schroeder, and I'm here to teach you Chapter 2, Lesson 1. For today's activities, you will need a pencil and a crayon. You will also need, from your workbook, pages 93 through 98. If you need to go get those, go ahead, pause the video, and come back. All right, before we get started, I do want to show you a video.
Verse 6 and 7. Matthew Can Do is having a party to celebrate the number 6 and the number 7, and you are invited. Look at these pretty presents Matthew wrapped. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 presents. Matthew Can Do just let go of the balloons. Let's count how many balloons are floating in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 balloons floating in the air. Here is a row of pretty bows for us to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bows. Something is missing. These bows need presents. We can draw a box to look like a present around each of the bows. How many boxes did you draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 presents. Here is a row of balloons. Let's count them too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 balloons. Something is missing. These balloons need strings. We cannot hold on to a balloon without a string. We can draw a string for each balloon. How many strings did we draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We drew 7 strings.
Today, boys and girls, we're going to be talking about numbers 6 and numbers 7. Now, before I drew you something, and it looked like this. Does anybody remember what these boxes are all called? Good! If you said 10 block, that is correct. Echo me 10 block. This is called a 10 block because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks. Now I want to learn how to write number 6. Well, let's do a refresher, okay? We're going to start with number 1. When we count, we say number 1, line down. 2, around, down, and out. 3, 1 hump, 2 hump. That's number 3. 4, baby L, line down. 5, down and around and make a hat. Number 6. When we say number 6, it goes like this. Down and around and curl it up. Down and around and curl it up. Say that with me. Down and around and curl it up. Good. I have 6 blocks. If I add one more, how many do I have? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we'll have 7 if we add one more to 6. For 7, we say slide to the right, and slide it down. Go ahead, say that with me. Slide to the right and slide it down. Slide to the right and slide it down. Excellent. Go ahead and grab your paper in front of you. Again, you will need your pencil and one crayon. All right, on my plate, I want you to take your crayon and we're going to draw 5 circles on my first plate. Go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your turn. Draw 5 circles on your first plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Let's color in 5 boxes. Remember, when we color in our boxes, I want to hear you counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Go ahead, grab your pencil, and let's write our numbers in the boxes. Number 1, line down. 2, around, down, and out. 3, 1 hump, 2 hump. That's number 3. 4, baby L, line down. 5, down and around and make a hat. Great job. Okay, grab your crayon. We have 5 circles on this plate. I would like for you to put 1 circle on my other plate. So that means we have 5 plus 1 more. Wait a second. If we have 1 more and we color in 1 more box, now how many do we have? Go ahead, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. We have 6 circles on our plate. Let's write the number 6. When we say 6, we say down and around and curl it up. Go ahead, let's write it together and say it. Down and around and curl it up. Down and around and curl it up. Good. Now I want you to take your crayon again and add 1 more circle onto the plate. Now that means that we had 6 circles plus 1 more. Well, let's color in 1 more box. Help me count how many boxes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 boxes. When we say 7, we say slide to the right and slide it down. Slide to the right and slide it down. All right, let's write it and say it. Slide to the right and slide it down. Slide to the right and slide it down. Great, go ahead and turn the page. All right, boys and girls, we are going to be counting and then coloring in our boxes. So in this picture, help me count how many bows you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 bows. Go ahead, grab your crayon. We need to color in 6 boxes. So let's color and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 boxes. Go ahead, grab your pencil. Let's write our numbers in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, for number 6, we say down and around and curl it up. Down and around and curl it up. Down and around and curl it up. Great! All right, boys and girls, help me count how many bubbles we have. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 bubbles. Go ahead, grab your crayon. Let's color in 6 boxes. All right, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great job. All right, grab your pencils. And let's write our numbers in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, when we say 6, we say down and around and curl it up. Down and around and curl it up. Down and around and curl it up. Good. All right, last one. Help me count how many cups we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 cups. Go ahead, grab your crayon and help me count 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. Grab your pencil. Let's write our numbers. Just for fun, I'm going to say all of the numbers and how we write them. Here we go. Number 1, line down. Make sure you're echoing me. 2, around, down, and out. 3, 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. 4, baby L, line down. 5, down and around and make a hat. 6, down and around and curl it up. Down and around and curl it up. Down and around and curl it up. Good. 7, slide to the right and slide it down. Slide to the right and slide it down. Slide to the right and slide it down. Great job, boys and girls. That's all with me for today. You need to make sure that you are doing the independent practice as well as your homework for the night. All right, until next time, I'll see you later.